Welcome back. In the previous video, we discussed how we can split the text by using the left, mid, and right functions. In this video, we are going to learn how to combine or join text in Excel. The first function we are going to discuss is concatenate function. This function joins multiple text values into one single text string. Then we will discuss the concate function, which is a modern replacement of concatenate. So concat function join text from multiple cells or ranges. The advantage of concat is that it can also work with ranges of cells, not just individual cells. Next, we will discuss the text join function. The text join function joins the text using a delimiter like space, comma, or dash and can also ignore empty cells. So let us discuss how we can use all these three functions to join the text. Here we have the product code divided into three parts PRD001 and IND, and we will see how we can use the concatenate, ampersand, concat, and text join function to join these texts. So first we will use the concatenate function. So we'll type is equal to concatenate, bracket open. So we have to select the individual text to combine. So we'll select cell N2. Then if we want a forward slash in between, within quotes, we will type forward slash, comma, and then text2, which is the middle three characters, comma, again a forward slash within quotes, and then the right three characters, close the bracket and enter. So we see that the concatenate function has joined the text in the three columns. We can join the text by using the ampersand sign as well. So we will type is equal to the first three characters, which are PRD, then ampersand sign, then forward slash within the quotes, then ampersand, then middle three characters, again ampersand sign, then forward slash within quotes, and then ampersand sign and the right three characters and enter. So the ampersand function and the concatenate function works in the similar way. Now let's see how we can use the concat function. So to use the concat function, we'll type is equal to concat. To join the text, we will select the range, close the bracket and enter. So it has joined the text of all the three columns. If we want the forward slash in between, then we have to type is equal to concat, bracket open. So we will select the text first, then comma, then the forward slash within quotes. Again, we'll select the second or middle three characters, comma, forward slash within quotes, and then comma, and then the right three characters, close the bracket and enter. The concat function works in a similar way like the concatenate function. The only difference is that it can select the cells or join the cells within a range, which is not possible while using the concatenate function. Let us see this with example. So if we type is equal to concatenate over here, open the bracket and then select the range, close the bracket. So there is a spill error, which means that the data is not joined. It is still flowing to three columns. But while using the concat function, it helps us join the text string in three different columns. So this is how we can use the concat function. Now moving to the text join function. To insert the text join function, we'll type is equal to text join, bracket open. The first input required is the delimiter. So here we can type the forward slash, comma. The second input required is ignore empty. So if there are any columns, any empty columns in between, we have to type ignore if we want it to ignore. Otherwise, we can type false, which means we can include the empty cells. So here we don't have any empty cells, so we can ignore this input, comma, and then we have to select the cell ranges. So select the three columns, close the bracket and enter. So instead of typing forward slashes multiple times, like we did in case of concatenate, ampersand, and concat functions, the text join function helps join the text using the delimiter in between. So this is how we can use the concatenate, ampersand, concat, and text join functions to combine or join text in Excel. Thank you.